People might be thinking that I'm crazy. Don't think you guys can hear me. बहुत हवा चल रहा है. इसको हाय बोले बोल. Hello everyone, welcome back. You must be wondering why am I starting this video full dressed up and a face full of makeup. I just came back from window shopping and I had gone alone. And let me tell you, this is the first time I've gone to a mall all alone for any kind of shopping or even to do anything. Like basically, I've never gone to a mall alone. And I honestly felt good. I needed me time and I will do this often now. Going to places and exploring places alone. कोई pressure नहीं. I can do my own thing. I don't need to listen to someone else. Ki let's go there, let's go there. We are done shopping over here. I don't have to do all of that. I liked my time. I had my coffee over there. I was journaling there in the food court. Honestly, I was in my own world, and even if there was so much noise and so many people around me, I didn't give two shits because even they don't give two shits कि मैं कौन हूँ क्या हूँ. So it felt good कि I did not bother anyone and nobody bothered me as well. So me time is very important, and it is not necessary that in me time you have to do some activity. You can just go chill somewhere in a cafe, go with your laptop, get some work done, get your coffee. Basically, you get that idea. It's around 6 o'clock right now, and I'm meeting my school friends around 7:30. I will be filming over there too. And yes, I think it's going to be fun because when you meet your school friends, you just forget everything and you sit. You know what conversations I love? That we all sit together and we discuss or talk about how or what things we used to do in school. Basically, nostalgia. याद आती है स्कूल की कभी कभार. You get it, right? जब I was in school, my parents or my family used to tell me school का time is the golden day. It's the golden time of your life. And I'm like, what? This is my golden time? How? I'm just sitting, doing my homework, going to school, going to tuition, and nothing. ये गोल्डन टाइम कैसे हो सकता है? तब मुझे लगता था कि ओ व्हेन आई बिकम 20 आई विल बी डूइंग दिस, आई विल बी डूइंग दैट. लगता था कि जब मैं 20 की हो जाऊंगी ना तो adults can buy whatever shit they want. Like I can get ice cream by myself. I don't have to ask anyone for the permission. कि mummy can I order ice cream or can I get some ice cream? I'll just go and get it. This was my thought process. I mean सबका ही होता है. And now reality hits. Yup, that is life. Actually, school time is the golden time of your life. School days are the golden days of your life. If you are someone who's in school right now, make sure you enjoy your school life because that time is never going to come back. Whenever I pass my school, I just want to go back because तब कोई टेंशन नहीं होता था. There was no such thing as anxiety or sadness, real sadness. हमको ये सब words उसके मतलब पता ही नहीं होते थे. We used to see the world very differently than we see it right now because of obvious reasons. So if you also miss your school friends, just text them कि hey, let's meet, let's catch up. Trust me, you will feel good. You will feel nice about it. And all the conversations that you will have with that group or that best friend of yours in school, it's going to be raw. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be just who you were in school. You will not only meet your school friend, but you will also feel like how you felt in school talking to that person or that group. बहुत बोल लिया मैंने. So let's go to the fun part. I am going to redo my makeup. I am already late. All my friends, they never come on time. अगर 7:30 बोला है तो सब 8 बजे तक आएंगे. So I don't have to worry. मेरा base already लगा हुआ है I just have to do my under eyes and जहाँ पे concealer मुझे लगता है वहाँ पे. One thing that I've realized is that you should not get affected by the people who gossip or talk behind your back. And why this thought came in my mind, I'm gonna tell you. I have been watching reels, and there are some friends of mine who were telling me about their experiences with other people, and I was just thinking about it. Even in general, people get affected when they get to know that, oh, this person talked behind my back. Oh, these people are talking about me. This is where we need to redirect our attention, or rather, not think about it. Whenever you get to know that, oh my god, these people are talking about me, or I just got to know that this person spoke behind my back. Remember, people who talk bad about you or gossip about you, maybe the most interesting part of their life is gossiping about you. They are insecure. ऐसा नहीं है कि oh we don't talk behind. I mean, of course सभी बात करते हैं. I know you guys also like to gossip. Everyone likes to gossip. But when you get to know that it's someone who you did not expect to gossip about you, then it is quite shocking. And for the people जिनका तुमको like फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है, जो तुम्हारे डेली लाइफ में तुम्हारे साथ बात भी नहीं करते, अगर वो तुम्हारे बारे में गॉसिप कर रहे, why give a shit about them? Seriously, like I said, people who gossip about you, maybe the most interesting part of their life is gossiping about you. They just want to talk about you, so forget it. Okay, now that I'm done with my concealing thing, I am just going to go with some loose powder. I feel it's necessary. Also, I'm not wearing this t-shirt क्योंकि अभी रात का टाइम है एंड मेरी फ्रेंड मेरे को स्कूटी पे पिकअप करने वाली है, तो मुझे बहुत ठंडी लगती है. आई नो इट्स मुंबई, यहाँ क्या ही ठंडी है, बट मेरे को बहुत ठंडी लगती है गाइस. आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर फुल स्लीव्स व्हिच आई विल शो यू लेटर. फर्स्ट आई यूज्ड टू थिंक how do people or influencers talk while doing their makeup, but now I know sometimes even I can't do the same thing. You must see कि मैं बात करते करते कभी कभी pause हो जाती हूँ and then I start, because sometimes you just can't talk. Imagine you're doing your eyeliner and you're talking. It's just impossible, right? I'm just doing my eyelashes, I'm curling them, and I don't want to apply a mascara, but I also want to apply mascara. I don't want to apply mascara because it is very difficult to take it off, but it makes me feel or look prettier. If you're wondering which mascara I'm using, it's Sugars, and this is great. Are you looking at this? It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Doing my blush. मैं बहुत कम blush लगा रही हूँ. Just going to dab it off. We don't want excess. Look at that. I think blush can make you feel and make you look fresh, even if you're like not like slept for 3 days in a row, which is not possible, but whatever. I've put some on my nose. I know I will regret it later. I already do actually, but it's just something that I've seen girls do, so I'm doing it anyways. I know some people like to apply cream-based highlighter. Some people like to apply powder-based highlighter. I like both. And I just apply it on my nose. Because वो लाल लाल जो nose अभी दिख रहा है, उस पे थोड़ा shine आ जाए. And that's it. I'm done with my makeup. Now we are going to change. So let me change and come quickly. I've changed. I'm wearing the top and the jeans, same jeans. I've paired it up with these earrings, silver earrings. Obviously, I changed my gold earrings to silver earrings because अगर मैं silver इस पे gold पहनती, I would look like a fashion disaster. I've paired it up with these earrings, this small silver chain, the silver bracelet, which I think is too much, but If it's not too much, then it's not Janvi. And I'm super late. I need to find a bag for myself right now. Otherwise, all my friends are going to shout at me. So let's go. Tied my hair because we need to go in scooter, like I said. I'm carrying my Miragio bag and I'm applying this Pure Sense Vanilla Body Mist because even if people like floral smell, I think vanilla can dominate any kind of scent, whether it's floral or a strong scent. Vanilla always on top. My friend is waiting downstairs for me, and we were supposed, like I said, we were supposed to meet at 7:30. It's 7:30 and I'm still here, but it'll only take me like 15 minutes to reach. So my school best friend has scammed me. She told me she's downstairs, but she's not. This is what she does from school. People might be thinking that I'm crazy, that I'm talking to myself right now, and they think that I'm a mad woman. But look at the things that I'm doing for you guys. थोड़ा support आप भी दिखा दो, please subscribe कर लो. If I were you, I wouldn't wait a second to subscribe. So just go pause the video. I'm waiting for you. Actually, I'm waiting for you. I'll give you a good 5 to 7 seconds. Just go subscribe, like the video, show some love in the comments, and yep, I hope you subscribed. If you did not, my eyes. So this is Gia. I don't think you guys can hear me. बहुत हवा चल रहा है. I mean obviously स्कूटी पे बैठे हुए हैं. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं जोई's Pizza. Please guys introduce yourself.
I am Jia from SMBT Sangam. Why are you giving me a Hello guys, मैं हूँ जिया, जानवी की स्कूल की दोस्त एंड अ बेंच पार्टनर.
मैं हूँ अवल और मैं सिंगल नहीं हूँ.
मैं हूँ आयुष.
मैं जानवी का स्कूल का फ्रेंड हूँ.
Paras, introduce yourself.
क्या है ये? कहाँ रखते हैं इसको? क्या बोलेगा?
Introduce मेरा एक fun fact बोल.
नहीं अरे ये सब मत करो ना. सही में. अरे और क्या मुंह में डालूं अभी?
धुरंधर पार्ट 2. ना 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 ना. ये धुरंधर पार्ट 3 है.
मेरा डेट.
In case you don't know, we've come to Naturals and it has the best ice cream. Like, look at the flavors. It's crazy. Say bye to the vlog. Bye. I'm home. I had a great time, to be honest. इतना मज़ा नहीं किया है. So I have changed. I have done my skincare. Now I'm going to apply eye patches. Second one.